एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फिटनेस योगा विद पॉली। आज मैं आप लोगों को जो 5 आसना दिखाने वाली हूँ वो बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है आपके बॉडी के लिए। आप लोग मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप आज ये आसना दिखाने वाली हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग घर में प्रैक्टिस करिए, लेकिन वो बहुत ही सावधानी से, बिकॉज अगर आपका कोई शारीरिक प्रॉब्लम हो तो फिर आप जस्ट अवॉइड करिए आसना। So let's start. Stand erect and spread your legs about 3 to 4 feet apart. Your right foot should be in the front and left foot behind. Exhale and bend your right knee such that your knee and ankle from a straight line. Make sure that your knee does not go ahead of your ankle. Lift your arms sideways until they reach the height of your shoulders. Stretch your arms further and join your palms above your head. Hold the pose like a warrior. Breathe normally and keep going down. Inhale and come up. Exhale and gently bring your hands down from the side. Repeat this pose on the left side with your left leg in the front and the right one at the back. Stand upright and place your legs about 3 to 4 feet apart. Align the center of your right heel with the center of the arc of the left foot. You need to remember that your feet are pressing the ground and weight of your body is balanced equally on both feet. Take a deep breath and as you exhale, bend your body to the right from below your hips. Ensuring your waist is straight, lift your left hand up and let your right hand touch the feet. Both your arms should form a straight line. No matter where you place your hand, your body should be bent sideways. Inhale and come up. Repeat the same using the left leg. Come into the floor on your hands and knees. Set your knees directly below your hips and your hands slightly forward of your shoulders. Spread your palms, index fingers parallel or slightly turned out and turn your toes under. At first, keep the knees slightly bent and the heels lifted away from the floor. Then, with an exhalation, push your top thighs back and stretch your heels downward the floor. Straighten your knees but be sure not to lock them. Firm the outer arms and press the bases of the index fingers actively into. Firm your shoulder blades against your back. Keep the head between the upper arms. Don't let it hang. Adho Mukha Savasana in the traditional sun solution sequence. It's also an excellent yoga asana, all on its own. Stay in this pose anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes, otherwise 20 seconds. Inhale and press your inner hands firmly into the floor and slightly back as if you were trying to push yourself. Then straighten your arms and simultaneously lift your torso and your legs a few inches off the floor on an inhalation. Keep the thighs firm and slightly turned inward. The arm firm and turned out. So the elbow creases face forward. Look straight ahead or tip the head back slightly, but take care not to compress the back of the neck and harden the throat. Urdhva Mukha Savasana is one of the positions in the traditional sun solution sequence. You can also practice this pose individually, holding it anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds. Breathing easily. Release back to the floor with an exhalation. Begin the asana by lying flat on your back. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Make sure that your ankles and knees are placed in a straight line. Let your arms rest beside your body with your palms facing downwards. Inhale and lift your back off the floor. Roll in your shoulders and make sure your chin touches your chest without you having to move it. Let your shoulders, feet and arms support your weight. Firm up your buttocks as you tighten them. Make sure your thighs are parallel to each other and the floor. Interlace your fingers and push your hands harder to the ground to lift your torso higher. Hold the posture for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Breathe slowly and deeply. Exhale and release the pose.